Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by confirming your carrier plan actually includes 5G, because without it, nothing else will matter. Once done, make sure your Samsung A16 is on the latest firmware. Go to Settings, Software Update, then download and install. This unlocks network optimizations. Insert the 5G SIM or activate your eSIM profile, then reboot the phone to register on the network. You're doing these steps now, so the device can negotiate bands and avoid roaming on slower networks. Next, you configure the phone to prefer 5G so it will connect when available. Go to Settings, Connections, Mobile Networks, then Network Mode. Choose 5G/4G/3G, Auto Connect, for reliability, or 5G only when you need max speed and the area is well covered. Make sure data roaming is off unless you intentionally need it, because roaming can fall back to slower bands. Also check access point names if your carrier requires a specific APN. Incorrect APNs block data. Finally, you verify performance and fix common faults. Run a speed test and look at the status bar for 5G or 5G+. This confirms you're on the right band. If you don't see 5G, toggle airplane mode or restart the phone, then recheck SIM seating and APN settings because those often stop data. If problems persist, contact your carrier to confirm provisioning and local 5G coverage. Make sure they've enabled the correct bands for the Samsung A16.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.